This addictive chocolate peanut butter banana vegan dessert can be ready for you in just minutes with only a few ingredients. We'll start with 2 medium bananas mashed. I like to keep frozen peeled bananas in my freezer at all times for dessert emergencies. If you're like me, take 2 of those frozen bananas out, put them in the microwave for about a minute, mash it together, and it will be the same as if you mashed 2 medium bananas. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will give our mug cake sweetness without any sugar. I should add there's no refined sugar in this entire dessert. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of plant milk. I like vanilla almond milk. I think it adds a nice flavor, but that's up to you. Then add 4 tablespoons of oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, no problem. Take whatever oats you have, put them in the blender for about 30 seconds and it'll be oat flour. Then add 4 tablespoons of peanut flour. I love this one because it's defatted and low in calories. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. That will give it that rich, decadent, chocolatey flavor, and cacao is a superfood. Then we'll add a teaspoon of baking powder, which will help our mug cake rise beautifully. Mix that all together until it is creamy and smooth. Now this is optional, but I like to add a big glob of peanut butter in the middle of my mug cake so that way when I spoon into it later, the peanut butter oozes out. So good. Now you'll put that into the microwave for about 2 minutes and tell me, would you make this peanut butter, chocolate, banana, mug cake vegan dessert? It is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and delicious. Let me know in the comments below.